Hi there. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm actually not a big fan of McDonald's. However, one thing I do like is the Sausage and Egg McMuffin. And when you can't have one, I want it even more. And I woke up this morning and I thought to myself, I fancy a Sausage and Egg McMuffin. I had sausages, I had eggs, and I had muffins. I didn't have any cheese slices, and as far as I'm aware, that's basically the ingredients. So I had to improvise a little bit and make a cheese slice. So I put some mayonnaise in a pan and some grated cheddar cheese that I had, and heated that through till it melted. Then I poured that onto a foil board, covered it with cling film, rolled it flat out, and then I popped that into the freezer. Left it in the freezer for about 30 minutes. Then I needed a sausage pate, but I just had sausages, so I needed to take out the sausage meat, took out the sausage meat, rolled it into a ball, flattened it, and shaped it with my cutter. So I've got a nice sausage pate. Put that into a hot pan with a little oil. There's a couple of minutes on either side till it's nice and brown, but do check it's cooked through properly. It is pork. Okay, now we need a muffin, so I sliced the muffin. And I preheated my George Foreman, so I popped it on the George Foreman to lightly toast it. Now we need our eggs, and I put 2 eggs into a cup, hot pan, oil, and again using a cutter, place the cutter in the pan, poured in the eggs, let the eggs cook for about 30 seconds, and then I gently broke the yolk with a knife, just cutting through. Now, once it was nearly cooked, I popped it under a hot grill for about 30 seconds. Okay, then I took my cheese out the freezer, cut that into a slice, and then we need to build the sandwich. Check with the picture online, so I did it in the correct order. So we've got our muffin, then we've got a slice of cheese, then we've got the pate, then we've got the eggs. And I had some Starbucks Dolce Gusto latte, so I made myself a Starbucks latte with it. Anyway, have fun, I enjoyed it, and I tell you what, it tasted great. I really did like the cheese slice as well. Thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.